Sunday, folks. Did anybody else wake up feeling good? I really woke up in a good spirit this morning. Then on top of that, church was everything I needed and more. So I said, let me continue this praise and worship. Turned on the gospel music, cleaned up the whole house, lit the candles. I said, oh, I want to cook. And I know that ain't like me. I can, I just don't. So I was like, let me go cook. Y'all, I went to the store, got the groceries, and here we are. Yeah, I don't know why I be cooking like it's 30 people in here, and it's only me. So I made a little rice, added a little salt, a little pepper, a little butter, so it don't be bland. And then y'all, don't judge me. I'm cooking, so I ain't gotta cook for the rest of the week. That's the story, and I'm sticking to it. So got my pork chops out, got my cornbread out. You gotta test it to make sure the middle done, because the middle be a little raw. Can't be eating no raw cornbread, y'all. That lemonade, fire. Then my pork chop, they spicy, so that's why I got a lot of seasoning on it. This was my plate. I don't like my food to touch, so that's why my plate looked like that. Judge your mama, not me. And that was the end result.